I don't rush to the store chasing Christmas decorations. I want to be close to nature and what Mother Gaia freely offers. Everything I need, without plastic, without mass production, just what I find in the forest by the lake. I gather spruce branches, cones, and little wild rose fruits, small treasures that will later transform into something beautiful. I love this moment. The cool air, the sense of resin, the sound of my footsteps on the moss. I feel that everything is exactly as it should be.